Hey, good afternoon. It's Jeremiah Affordable Mobility Solutions, home at mobility316.com. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Ford Transit wheelchair accessible van. This is a rear entry. This is the 150. These are pretty rare. Hit the door here, hit the unlock, slide it open. And to open these doors, get the lift down, we have to do three things. We have to have the ignition on, we have to have the emergency brake set, and we have to have the lift turned on. I'm just tying this up here. It's a pretty windy day here in Kansas. Welcome to Kansas. But so have those three things done. Turn the lift on here. Swing the other door open right here. There we go. All right, so this is a two-stage lift. We hit the unfold button. Come all the way down. It's a 33.5-inch wide ramp, 50 inches deep. You got 60 inches inside the van of headroom coming inside, and then 68 inches once you're inside the van. So in 5 feet, 8 inches tall, can stand straight up in this van, no problems, plenty of headroom. Lift comes down, the flap will fold out. We even have your lighting here to be ADA compliant. Yes, this conversion is ADA compliant. Put the remote there. We'll load our person up on our wheelchair and reverse the process to take them in. Inside this van, 946 cycles on this lift, so a darn near a brand new lift. Very little usage on it. Headliner looks great, rear air back here and everything. Got your upgraded Q strengths. A lot of our competitors are going to charge you $600 to $800 to upgrade to these. We throw them in at no charge to you. So what I love about this van is the seating setup. We've got 2 up front, 3 in the second row. What I love about this individual seat here, that can be moved. Come on, camera focus for me. It can be moved anywhere in the van. So it can be anywhere there's tracks, or you can even remove it if you're not using it. Or you can tell us, hey Jeremiah, take a little bit of money off the price of the van. I just want these seats. But these seats are awesome. That are folds down here. Little lip underneath here. Little lever. Both these seats can fold up. You could remove this seat so you can get probably 4 wheelchairs in here at a time. Put this seat down, get 5 people plus a wheelchair 2. Allows a lot of versatility with this seating setup. And again, remember that can be moved, can be removed, or just moved anywhere where there's traction here if you want it to. So a lot of great options for those of you looking to haul quite a few people, but also have the option to haul a lot of chairs at the same time. Headliner's obviously good. I showed you that. Dash is in great shape. Got your rear air controls up here. Got extra storage up here for all your anything you might need up there. Cup holders. And you got your side door here as well. Got your handle, your grip bar there. It's got the step here to help any of your ambulatory passengers enter the vehicle safely and easily. So when you get everybody secure, come back out, reverse the process, and you are ready to roll. Let me show you how much room is with those seats down. If you got your 7 people plus 1 wheelchair, you put the passenger's legs here. The back of the chair can sit back here. Plenty of room for 7 plus 1 as well. So a lot of versatility with this vehicle. All right, when you have everybody secure, simply reverse the process here. It does take a second, but it's all ready to go. You're good to go. You can also operate this lift manually if you need to. No, it's not fun to do, but it's sure better than being stuck in a Walmart parking lot or something like that. And 800-pound weight capacity on this lift as well. Put her down there, shut off the lift to save some battery, and you're good to go. Tires on this van. The rear tires are about 30 seconds into 11, so they're not quite new, but they're not far from it. The front aren't far behind. They're about 30 seconds, so they're also in excellent condition as well. I'm going to leave this budget cord in the van. If you do end up purchasing this, you get a windy day like today, and you want to prop that door open to make sure it doesn't swing shut on somebody, put it back here in the corner, so whoever buys it has that option. Quick walk around to the van. It's nice and clean. It's got a step over there like I mentioned. Now I'm looking for any small dents or scratches on this van. I'm not going to sit here and tell you it's perfect, but it's very clean. I hand select every single one of our vehicles. And people ask me all the time, how do you save $5,000 to $10,000 from your competitors? That's a great question. It's a very simple answer. It's low overhead. We have one central location right here in the middle of the country, Wichita, Kansas. That allows us to do free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states. I want you to imagine if I was like a lot of my competitors. I had 20 stores, 40 stores, 100 stores. Imagine all the overhead I would have, the millions of dollars a month I would have in employees, rent, utilities, insurance, times 50 or 100. That's how I save you so much money. We have one location. Everything we do here is meant to be productive. It's meant to save you money. And no matter who you do business with, make sure you get a video of the VIN number. What I mean by that, people on Facebook Marketplace, which is the dirtiest place in the world to buy a vehicle, I'm not joking, they'll take pictures of my van, they will crop out our sign up there. They're going to put this on Facebook Marketplace for $15,000 with a $1,000 deposit to hold it. They're trying to scam someone out of that $1,000. They don't even have this van, so obviously they can't hold it for you. They're trying to scam you. So say to them, I want a video of the VIN number, like this. My name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions. I've got this van here in my possession. So they couldn't make the video. They don't have these vans. Don't you get scammed, you make that video. Also, what we do on that VIN number, we run a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles. Check it out. One owner, regular oil changes. Now it does show an accident reported. I'm going to show that to you. Keep in mind here, as we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, no junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a one owner with a clean title and regular maintenance. Carfax shows no structural damage, and airbags have never been deployed. So you did see, had an accident. I checked this stuff before I buy. I am not afraid to buy a vehicle that doesn't have frame damage. Airbags didn't go off. You know, might have had a bumper painted. I'm not afraid to buy a vehicle that's been in a minor accident. Carfax shows odometer's accurate, and shows the warranty year. Yeah, expired on this 2020. Let me check here. Yeah, November 14th of 2024. Vehicle is good on the 60,000 powertrain warranty until so about another month now. Has the Ford powertrain warranty specs as well. No matter who you do business with, find them online, check out their ratings and reviews. Look at us on eBay, 1,611 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. That's 100%. I would say that's a great reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Make sure they have a handful of reviews. These scammers can create a fake Google page, get 4 or 5 reviews until Google catches on to them. So make sure it has a ton of reviews. We have 327, 4.8 out of 5 stars. You know, I hear horror stories all the time about people buying from private individuals or the low-end dealers with 1 and 2 and 3 star ratings instead of 4.8 like we have. They end up buying a van that's got a salvage title they weren't told about, major flood damage, mechanical issues, engine, transmission, electrical, you name it. I've heard it all. So if you want the 1 and 2 and 3 star experience, you go ahead and deal with the general public and those low-end dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service and the best prices in the country, I look forward to working with you. All right, back to the van. It's got the 2 key fobs come with the van. It's got the keyless entry. As I enter the van, it's got these nice, easy to clean vinyl seats. Very clean inside. Got your fire extinguisher there. I don't know if that's up to code or not yet. You might have to get it serviced, but little layout of the seats, you can see how clean they are. Just a little layout back here of the rear for those of you that aren't real familiar with these vans. When I go to turn the van on, you will see there's no check engine lights, no airbag, no ABS, 38,550 miles on the van. It's even got the interlock system in it as well. See all the dummy lights work, they all go out. Got your backup camera there, you got your backup alarm. Great safety features to have. And I've got the radio works right there. I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We checked all the power mirrors, windows and locks. Check the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. I'm going to show you the mirrors and the windows working right now. We've checked the tires, taken these on a road test. Brakes, suspension, steering. Replace fluids as necessary. My point is, we don't just throw these on the lot like so many people sell on a vehicle. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot, and that's why we have the ratings we do. Underneath the hood is a 3.7 V6 engine. It idles smoothly. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it sounds great. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same, very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any oil or fluid leaks. And no signs of any rust from being up north. And no signs of any water damage from being in a flood. That's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it's only got 38,000 miles on it, they assume because it looks good in pictures, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. Folks, with all these hurricanes going on, all these storms, you better be checking the vehicle for flood damage. I can promise you that. And that's the most dangerous thing you can do, is just assume things. Do not do that. So I see brand new vehicles at auction frequently. They'll take on flood damage at a big dealership. The big dealership will take it to the auction, dump it off, make it someone else's problem. Well, if a brand new vehicle can have flood damage, you better know what you're getting if you're buying a used vehicle. By the way, the Carfax showed the vehicle was in a, quote, accident on the driver's side rear. got little scuffs here. So again, like a very minor damage on this thing at one point. As I crawl on the back here, I want you to ask yourself, go with the competition. I don't mind. Ask yourself, do they show you thousands of reviews online so you know you're dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show you a free Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? If they get on their hands and knees and even bother taking a couple pictures of the undercarriage, much less a detailed video, front and back, so you can see no flood damage, no bent metal from an accident. What about the roof? You know how many of these big vehicles, the taller vehicles I see at auction all the time, the roof is trash with hail damage, trash with a huge dent, hole that's going to leak and cause major problems. You know how much one of these roofs can cost to replace? $20,000 to $30,000. I'm going to get up on this overpass down here. I'm going to show you what I can see on the roof. We inspect these vehicles very thorough. So when it comes to price, reputation, and knowing exactly what you're getting, please compare me to the competition. And the sellers, they don't fix the roof a lot because no one looks at the roof. You know who looks at the roof? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility. That's who looks at the roof. And you better too, because they are not cheap to repair. So tell me, what ends up happening if you end up buying a van like this? You can't get a title for it because you're dealing with a shady individual. What happens if it's got a VIN problem, or it won't pass inspection in your state because of damage to the frame from an accident or a flood? In all of those cases, and in many more, if that happens, if you can't register it, you can't drive it, congratulations on your 6,000-pound paperweight you just bought. So to avoid those problems and so many more, before you buy from anybody, do 4 things. First of all, demand a detailed video, not some lazy 30-second walk around. Folks, this is a major purchase. You're not buying a pair of cowboy boots off Amazon. This is a big deal. Demand a detailed video. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month, but I paid that up front because Carfax has the most thorough VIN inspection there is. I will not settle for a cheap knockoff. You better not either on a service like this, as far as a payment as big as on an investment like this. Sorry, I got tongue-tied there a little bit. It rarely happens, but it happens from time to time. And then third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation and reviews. Do not risk buying as is or buying from just a random individual. Know who you're buying from, and then finally demand a warranty. All of our vehicles come with a warranty. This vehicle meets the specs to be under the full powertrain warranty from Ford. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. Let's get her out for a test drive so you can hear it run. Told you how important that roof was. I'm standing over here on an overpass about 10 feet in the air. You think the owners of the big box stores are out here standing on an overpass so you know what you're getting? Yeah, we do things a little bit different here. The roof looks great. Very important. Make sure you get a video, pictures of the roof, so you know there's no damage up here. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the fans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Transit home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy, steering wheel's nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise, popping up to 70 miles an hour here, runs and drives very nice down the highway. And do keep in mind, the van does still meet the specs to be under the full factory powertrain warranty from Ford. We do sell longer term warranties that cover more components on the vehicle, like factory type warranties. They go as far as 8 years, and they also can protect the lift as well. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print is a $500 administrative fee. They've got document fees, they've got tag fees, they got freight. You name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up the cost of all the hidden fees and the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000, maybe even $5,000 with a vehicle this size. So be sure to ask about shipping and fees before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they have a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try to make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, but none more important than the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. So keep that in mind when you're out shopping. I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake at the bottom of this ramp. You'll see there's no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration, all exactly what we're looking for. And if you would like to give us a call or a text message, now text is the fastest way to get a hold of us. That way anyone on our staff can see the text and respond as soon as possible. a call or text 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That is a direct line to reach out to, call, or text me. Now, I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system and end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person, it's that super aggressive, pushy, used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times every day to try and pressure you into making a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give us a call, give us a text. We'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, we're going to sell this Transit whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address, and if computers aren't your thing, get in touch with us. We are happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or a mobility vehicle. Get in touch with us. I can explain how that works. And if you would like to come in to see our entire inventory, we do welcome that, but we do require that you make an appointment. You ask, why do we need an appointment, Jeremiah? It's a good question. I'm not going to put 3 car salesmen on the lot that don't know anything about wheelchair vans that are just going to try to shove you into a van to get their commission. The guy I just talked about, the aggressive, pushy, used car salesman, that is not how we do things here. I am very busy. I literally do about 5 jobs every day, but I'm more than happy to spend some time with you. But I know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you. Make sure you make that appointment with us. We have about 100 vans. Let us get organized. Let us get the ones pulled that you would like to see. Let us help you with all your finance questions and get you taken care of, get you prepared before you come in. That's why you have to make an appointment. It takes 30 seconds. So help us help you. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I know this is a major purchase, so I'm trying to be as thorough and detailed as I possibly can. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, 50 or so pictures of every van, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking us out at Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call or text today, and we really appreciate you giving us a chance to earn your business. Have yourself a wonderful day.